How to register for the Commbank account. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, get started with the Commbank app. Go to Play Store and search for Commbank and install it. Then open your Commbank app. Then log on using your client number or password. Then enter all your credentials, and if you have forgotten your details, tap on this, and what you have forgotten, click on it. Or if you are using netcode token, tap on this. Once you enter all your login credentials, get netcode SMS will appear. A 6-digit code will be sent in an SMS message. Enter the code and tap continue. Now choose a PIN for faster access to the app. Confirm the permissions you are giving the app by clicking next. Then read and accept all the terms and conditions, or just tap skip. The Commbank app is fully set now. If you follow these steps, you must be able to log into your Commbank app, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.